Hey guys, just a quick video to show you how to change your URL for your Facebook page. So once you're on your Facebook page, it should look something like this. And on the left, you have some options here. So you just go to settings on the left here. And then it should be the first tab should be the general page settings that comes right up. And on that first tab, the general page settings, you should have it just here. It's referred to as a username. So you should have by default some string of random numbers, which is also the URL up here, which would be like facebook.com / and then a bunch of numbers. So that's how your Facebook page shows up typically. But once you come in here, you can change that. So you go to edit, and obviously we've already put in ours here, but as you're trying different options, it's going to tell you if it's available. So if I was just to put in one letter here, they would say, no, it must be at least 5 characters, right? So if I put just some random numbers here, see, it tells me that username is available. So technically that'll be your username for your business account, but it also becomes your whole URL attached to facebook.com. So if someone copies that link, or you give that link to someone, or you use it anywhere on your socials and your emails, just a quick way to put your link somewhere and to remember it when someone clicks on it, or if someone comes up here and puts it up here in the URL, it's going to bring it right to your page. So obviously you want to have your username if at all possible. I mean, the ideal one for us, because our company is Samson Digital or Samson.digital, because that's our URL. Ideally it would be Samson.digital, but someone already had that. So I tried different things, but ultimately what we needed to do was Samson.digital.inc, something like that. You can be creative here and come up with something, but ultimately you want something that's easy to remember, that you can just tell someone. You just tell them, look, just type in facebook.com / and then your company name, and then that will bring them right to your Facebook page. Another quick tip is you don't have to type out all of Facebook. You can just put FB. So if you have something really simple for a username, that's ideal. You just tell people, look, just put in fb.com / and then whatever your username is, and that'll bring up your business page. Anyway, hope this helps. Thank you.